The biggest change which I inculcated in myself is I started apologizing to my kids. Yeah, when you learn to apologize to your kids, that's when you realize what a kid goes through. It really it transforms the whole relationship between a parent and a child.
Yeah, honestly, my husband doesn't say apologize very easily.
I don't apologize easily to people. Honestly, my wife forced me to do it. That's one thing.
Yeah, my husband is very angry towards my kids. If they misbehave, if the things are not in the places, my husband really get very angry, and then immediately he shout, he raise his voice. So I nag him, and then I force him to watch the videos.
And then she started using all these jargons, which I think she learned from your lesson. I was like, what are you talking about? They asked us, to tell you frankly, I was actually making fun of her. Initially, I was like, okay, fine. Now you have learned some new jargons and some new terminologies from some online academic person. Now you're ranting me about all these things.
And now?
Now, after listening to you and after looking at your videos, I was like, yeah. You see, I have anxiety issues. I have anger management issues. I put myself in my kids' shoes, and that's when I realized that there's no difference between an adult and a child if you look at it from an emotional platform. We all go through the same kind of feelings. It's just that we can explain it out, but a kid can't. So I think it's really on us that we should go onto their level to understand how they feel.